Suppose you have a ladder of length 13 feet. To make it sturdy enough to climb, you must place the ladder exactly 5 feet from the wall of a building. You need to post a banner on the building 10 feet above the ground. Is the ladder long enough for you to reach the location you need to post the banner? Yes or no? The best way to answer this question is to draw a diagram and see where the right triangle would form and see what missing part we're trying to solve for. So if we have a ladder, again that ladder is 13 feet, and to make it sturdy enough to climb, you must place the ladder exactly 5 feet away from the wall of the building. So if we start off with the wall of the building, let's say this is the wall, we know that the ladder has to be 5 feet away from the wall, so it has to be here in order to be sturdy enough. And we know the ladder itself is going to be 13 feet, so when it's leaning, we know that this is going to be 13 feet. Now the wall and the ground are forming a right angle, so that 13 feet is now the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And we know that one of the legs of the hypotenuse, the part of the ground, how far away the ladder is that 5 feet. Now, we need to see how far up that ladder is reaching or touching the wall to see if it's above the 10 feet or equal to the 10 feet, greater than or equal to the 10 feet, so that you could hang the banner. So we need to solve for that missing leg of the triangle. So we'll start out with the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we know that a is 5, one of the legs, and b is that variable x, the other leg, and c is the hypotenuse of 13. So if we substitute in our known values, we have now 5 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. Squaring our numbers, we know 5 squared is 25. So 25 plus x squared equals 169. Subtracting 25 from both sides gives us that x squared equals 144. And taking the square root of both sides gives us that x equals 12. So that means that that ladder is touching the wall 12 feet in the air, or 12 feet up the wall. Now the banner you want to post is only 10 feet above the ground, so you will definitely be able to reach it. You can even move down the ladder a little bit. The ladder goes over and reaches 12 feet, so you can stick the banner on 2 feet below it. So that means that is the ladder long enough for you to reach the location? Our answer is A, yes, because it actually is higher than you need, so you can backtrack on your ladder and reach the 10 feet.